van. A van. We got one. So I flew out to California where my dad got the van, and we are driving back to Colorado for this weekend. As a lot of you have known for a while, I've wanted to get a van for van life. Then my dad and I talked about getting a van to start a rental business. This is gonna be a van that you can rent out. More videos will come, a van tour will come later. Super excited for this endeavor. Our goal is obviously to drive the van back safely, and my other goal is to jump in some cold water, jump in a lake, hopefully Lake Tahoe. We're gonna be driving through there. I need it. Just jumped in Lake Tahoe. It was actually warmer than I thought, and that has been a dream of mine for so long. Crystal clearly that. Stunning. Road trip update. We're in the middle of nowhere in Nevada. We found a little town called Elko. I looked up a few places on Yelp, and we found a little Chinese place. So we're just gonna give it a try. Probably not the best idea to get Chinese in a small city in the middle of Nevada, in the middle of nowhere, but what's life without a little spice, a little adventure, you know? All right, so we are on our last day. We woke up in the Walmart parking lot, made a quick stop to Panera, got some free sips. So at Panera, you, for like $12 a month, you get like unlimited, not unlimited, you get a drink every 2 hours. Charge lemonades, it's like lemonades with caffeine, coffee, pop. It's pop, not soda also. Are you pop or soda, Dad?
Pop.
Pop, come on. The Midwest pop. Anyways, got like a 3-month free trial of basically free drinks at Panera. So we stopped this morning to get a couple of drinks, got a caffeinated lemonade, ready to go. We are taking 70 into Colorado, hoping for a beautiful drive. It's a beautiful day so far to close out our trip. On the road again. We are making a slight detour today. We are stopping at Arches National Park. It's going to be both of our first times there. Can't believe I haven't been there. Super excited. It's about, it says it's 101 degrees. That's kind of Parkersburg Park. It's probably mid-90s, so it's gonna be warm, but we're excited. We are hiking towards Delicate Arch, the Arch of Arches, taking Delicate Arch Trail. Right now we're just on this huge slab of rock on this little paved part. It's about 95 degrees. We're a little sweaty, but this is incredible. It's a pretty easy trail. It's about 3.2 miles round trip. So it's quick and lots of views. Alright, so we've made it to the arch. It is way bigger than I expected. Way bigger. This is so cool. Embarrassing moment. We were standing right in front of it. I'm taking the lens cap off my lens. It drops and As you can see, there was a huge bowl down there, and it just started rolling, went all the way down there. Everyone kind of just stood and watched it go. Couldn't do much about it. I literally just bought those, but it's okay. I have an extra one. A piece of me is forever at Arches National Park. I probably shouldn't admit that. It's kind of littering, but accidental. So we are on our way to Colorado now. Arches National Park was incredible. Definitely blew my mind. Recommend if you have not been, for sure. So we made it to Aspen. I don't know if you've ever been to Aspen, but I did not pack any nice clothes, so I feel underdressed. This place is extremely nice, stunning. All right, second goal is achieved. We made it back safely. First goal was to jump in some cold water. Got to jump in Lake Tahoe. Again, this is a van that you guys can rent out. I'll drop some links where you can check out the booking. I still can't believe we have a van. Thank you for joining us on this little road trip, and as always, get outside today.